Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to today's Bitcoin update for Saturday 20th of August. And call the ambulance, call the emergency people, go to a pharmacist, go to a chemist store, get some medicine because damn oh boy this thing is bleeding so badly right now. And don't be surprised because I told you way before up here, and I told you, I made you aware about this rising wedge back in the days, and this was the rising wedge that I was looking forward to. So Bitcoin went up, boom, to the upside, came to the downside, went to the upside, came to the downside, went to the upside, came to the downside, broke the rising wedge, and you're still looking to come down to $19,200, right? So first of all, let's talk about the smaller time frame, and then from the smaller time frame we're actually going to dive into the bigger time frame. So what's happening? All right, so hear me out, check this. Right, you've been actually falling down. Today's the first day of the weekend. Oh, and that's irony. There's a lot of badass statement into that today is the first day of the weekend and we already dropped so badly back in the days when it was not so much of the weekends. So what's going to happen in the weekend itself if we dump this badly during the weekdays? Then what is going to happen during the weekends? You get my point here? If you don't get it, then rewind the video and try to listen again. All right. So when you went down with Bitcoin here, this is on a 2-hour time frame right now, you've actually put in another bear flag. Do you know what bear flag really is? If you don't know, bear flags is when the prices falsely try to move up and then they make some sort of a flag. Now the technical target is going to be from the top here to the bottom right there, and when you take this from the top to the bottom right here, you're actually going to come down all the way to $19,965, which actually makes my analysis and prediction once again come true. And if you look at it this way, you are still a little bit just above the technical target of this ascending triangle. So it doesn't really stop there, in my opinion. You might be looking to come down here, make another flag here, and then break down, and then finally come down to that technical target out of this huge ascending triangle that I just showed you, that ascending triangle. So the technical target is not pretty much met, so don't get excited anytime soon. The thing is, people think that this drop is a discount. I think this drop is a preparation of something very, very big. So stick till the end of the video to know what the hell is going to happen. So let's dive into the 4-hour time frame right now, and let me show you one resistance that Bitcoin is actually into. So what I do see at this point of time right here, if I do actually turn on the daily time frame, is the following. Okay, Bitcoin came down to this place, and what it's doing right now, it has already lost this level. Do you see that? That was a key level of support previously, but now all you did is, the last time you came down, you bounced off this area to move higher, right? You came down and you were supposed to bounce off this place, but what you did is you went really down so badly that you ended up closing below that place, and you might be looking to continue again down to this place. Okay, and if you continue the sideways movement for the next few days, you could actually make another flag in here, and if that flag actually comes into play, then you might be looking for Bitcoin to really drop big time from there to there. You're looking for Bitcoin to actually come down all the way to 17,845. Now let's say that bear flag does get played out. Remember how the last time that I used to tell you that this is a very, very big level of support down here at $18,900, somewhere near here. Well, if you're gonna lose this level once again and come up, try to backtest and fail that level, then we're looking for Bitcoin to really make a very, very bad move to the downside. Now, if you, however, pass the retest, then that could be a huge double bottom. The first bottom, the second bottom, and you suddenly want to actually go back up again. That's a different story, and we're going to deal with that one in the future. But if you do come down like this, I don't think it doesn't stop there, because Bitcoin is actually meant to go below those levels. And you can see that this monthly is about to turn red and really ugly. So you might see this month in the next 11 days actually closing down down to 17,300, even taking out the last low. And remember, I've told you dozens, millions of times that you do have these 3 black crows, 3 red candles back to back, which is actually indicating that Bitcoin is going to have to continue to move lower, maybe lower to 10,000, maybe lower to 14,000, who the hell knows. But when we're going to get down to 14,000 level, when we get down to 7,000 or 10,000, heck, even if you get down to $500, I'm going to try my best to actually bring the bottom for you. And that's pretty much it for this video on Bitcoin. And today the signal entry is opened up for September. So if you want to take signal calls from me and this and that, you can actually come into the Discord. There's a link for you to watch on an agreement, and I'm going to leave that video on the end of this video as well. And that's pretty much it for this update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.